important alert with Raspberry Pi 4. So we are getting one Raspberry Pi. You can see two HDMI ports and one Type C charger. You can see the charger port, and here I have 4 GB, 4 Pi 4, 4 GB RAM. Well, you can see the mention of the 2018 will be released. Uh, yeah, I am showing you here the Type C pin. Mm, you will use the Android pin. So here the HDMI cable. You can see it. Uh, this okay. You connect it from here, and when you have Raspbian is done, I have already released the Raspberry Pi operating system, how to install and memory card, and then we are showing you Raspberry Pi card Pi 4. We are going to the computer vision algorithm in this platform hardware side. So I think it's fun. Okay, and probably I have one second machine for the computer vision. So we are deployed the product. I will show you. Yeah, you can see it. This machine will be ready for the computer vision. So I hope you like it.